Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix restricted Coinbase account. It's really simple and easy. If you are facing any of the problems while creating your account or while logging into your account, what you can do is you can simply come to coinbase.com. Over here, you just have to click on sign in button, and then you just have to try to log into your account by providing your credentials. Now, if you see the Coinbase account problem, then what you can do is you can simply scroll down and come to the bottom of this page. Over here in the support, you can click on the contact us button, and then you will be landed on the Coinbase customer support page. Here you can either click on the message us option or the Coinbase icon or the chatbot icon that you see in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. What you can do is you can simply select any of the option that is showing over here. If you have selected the virtual chatbot option, you just have to simply click on start a new chat, and here you have to just tell them that you are facing a restricted account problem and you can't log in. You may also need to provide some of your account details. You just have to go ahead and talk with them. Else what you can do is you can simply create a request. So among these given options, you just have to select Coinbase or the Coinbase wallet, and then you just have to scroll down, fill out this form one by one. After that, you just have to provide further information like your Coinbase username, email address, subject, and in the message section you just have to type briefly that what problem you are facing for the restricted account, and then just click on submit button. And after the successful verification of your phone number, you can continue your conversation with them via email. So with the email, you can tell them that you are facing the problem and they are going to solve your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.